Welcome to this presentation about Monu Barrage, located on the Monu River in Bazar, Bangladesh. Our journey today takes us to a significant and picturesque location, which not only offers stunning views but also holds substantial importance for the local community. The Monu Barrage, often referred to as the Switch Gate, is approximately 2 kilometers away from Bazar town. This barrage serves a crucial role in the region's agricultural landscape by providing necessary irrigation to thousands of hectares of farmland, particularly during the dry season. The structure was initially constructed to aid in burrow cultivation, which is a type of rice grown primarily during the winter season. The successful operation of the Monu Barrage ensures the livelihood of countless farmers in the surrounding areas, specifically in Bazar Sadr and Rainagar Upazilas. Let us delve into the history of this remarkable structure. It was built with the primary objective of controlling floods that often ravage the region during the monsoon season. By regulating the flow of the Monu River, the barrage protects agricultural lands and residential areas from the devastating impact of overflow. The area around the barrage, while functional, has evolved into a scenic spot where locals and tourists alike come to enjoy the serene environment. The barrage, covered with graffiti, has become an unexpected canvas for urban art, blending the practical with the aesthetic. The surrounding landscape, with its lush greenery and tranquil waters, provides a perfect backdrop for photography and relaxation. Sunrise and sunset at Monu Barrage are particularly mesmerizing, offering visitors a chance to witness nature's beauty in full glory. Comparing the Monu Barrage to other irrigation projects can highlight some interesting contrasts and similarities in engineering and environmental impact. For instance, similar to other barrages in South Asia, the Monu Barrage is pivotal in managing water resources efficiently. However, its integration with the local community and the cultural significance it holds sets it apart. In comparison to larger, more industrial structures, the Monu Barrage's relatively smaller scale focuses on direct benefits to local agriculture and community welfare. Monu Barrage in Bazar stands as a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the local population. It not only provides essential irrigation, but also symbolizes a harmonious blend of utility and beauty. For anyone visiting Bazar, a trip to Monu Barrage offers a glimpse into the vital role this structure plays in sustaining agricultural life, while also presenting a peaceful retreat amidst nature's splendor. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore the Monu Barrage. A true jewel of Bazar,